Hello everyone, how are you? This is Bruce from Qingdao Director Structure. Welcome to our broadcasting room. So today I want to show you guys some prefab homes, container homes, flat pack container homes, steel structure, and some other hot ceiling products in our workshop, our factory. And first of all, let me introduce our company. Our company name is Qingdao Director Steel Structure Company, and we have been doing this business for more than 12 years, and we exported our products to all over more than 50 countries around the world. Our main market is African countries, American, European countries, Australia, and New Zealand. And this year we have designed some new model homes like the tiny homes on wheels. This is designed by our customers. We do custom designs. So if you have some interest, please contact our salesman. They will reply you ASAP, and we are very happy to service you. So now follow me to show you our products in our workshop. First of all, you can see this is our workshop for more than 15,000 square meters. And this product, the white color, is folding container home. The folding container home is very quick to build. And you can see it has many advantages I will introduce to you later. And the wide is 2.5, the length is 5.8. Okay, so this is the finished one. So in the front, you can see this is the width is about 2.5 meters, and the height is 2.8 and 2.5, and the length is 5.8 meters. And the middle part, this is the folding part. You can see the breakers over there, and this is the middle part. And see, this is the top, the folded one, and the height is 40 centimeters. So we will fold it like this way, and to load them into the container. Or one container can load 10 units. Okay, so the front is one door and one window. The door size is 80 centimeters by 2.1 meters height, and window is 90 centimeters by 1.2 meters with a mesh outside. Okay, let's check the inside. And the flooring is laminated flooring, or we call PVC flooring. It's for waterproof, and if you can change to different color, different material if you want different color. And say this is the ceiling, and this is the special design for a standard 20 feet foldable container. See the top, the ceiling. And the inside very spacious, more than 5.8 meters. And the folding container home with many advantages. For example, if you just want to build an office or build a living home for your family, you can buy you can build kind of this container, because it can be built very quick. You just need four people with a crane to lift this on the top and to build it in 10 minutes. That's quick, right? It's just 10 minutes to build a home. It's amazing. It's unbelievable, right? And so we recommend this to our customers who want to build an office or a side office, a living home on their on the land. So you can build this. You can buy it like several units of this folding container, and when you receive it, just lift it in 10 minutes and build a home. And if you want to move it to another site, you can just fold it and to rebuild in another site. So this is a very good solution, with best solution for you for a home. And our factory with a very large capacity for production, we can deliver this just in we can deliver this just in 5 days to deliver you more than 20 or 30 units. So now you can see the ceiling. This is the ceiling. We call it we call it 831 ceiling. So this is a kind of galvanized steel ceiling with two LED lines on the top. Check the details. And now let's see, this is the switch or a socket. So this is Chinese standard. This is Chinese standard. And we can do it as your country standard. Like New Zealand standard, like the United States standard, they use 110 voltage, but in China we use 220 voltage. So we have different voltage, we have different electricity standard. We can just, you just send us your country standard, we will do it, refer to your country standard and make it, can get your approval to get into your country. And so we can sell to your customers, they don't worry to use it. And the wall, we use 50 or 75 millimeters wall, sandwich panel, or like the rock wall or the EPS wall, rock wall or glass wall. Of course, you can use better one like the PU sandwich panel with very good thermal insulation performance. Yes. And for the flooring, we have different flooring. For this is PVC flooring, and you can change to another pattern, another color, different material flooring. So foldable container is a very popular container home solution in the world market now. Many customers in the European, they buy this for a park in their yard and they use as a storage, as office, as a living home. For you can use it. The lifespan is more than 10 years, and it's very good price, right? And for the size, we have a standard size. So the standard size is 2.5 meter wide and 2.5 meter height and 5.8 meter length. Because this is the best size we get from architecture calculation. You can load this in container, 40-feet container, 2 rows. 1 row is about five units, so 2 rows is about 10 units. Because the standard shipping container size is 11 meters length and 2.4 meters wide, and the height inside is 2.6 meters high. That's why we do a 2.5 and a 2.5 and a 5.8 meter size for the fully container. So it can load 10 units into 40-feet container to ship it. Yes, okay. Let's take the next one, product. All right. So the front one you can see now is a 2 by 20 shipping container, modified shipping container. We just ordered and we just made for our European country, for our French customer. This one is for a restaurant. One it's just one for living home, and we made it 2 parts with a partition wall in the middle, and the left one is just like a activity area, like the living room, the sitting room, the dining room, and the bathroom at this end. All right, and the other side, in the middle is a partition wall, and that side is a living room. And in the front, you can check. We made a deck. And with some LED lines on the ceiling. And the deck is anti-persive wood. So your friends can sit on the deck and to drink coffee, okay? I get a layer time. Now let's get inside. Okay, the deck size is 1.2 meters wide. We have the anti-corrosive wood for the deck. On the top, you have some tubular LED lines, and all the exterior and interior wood is anti-corrosive. Okay, now let's check this room. First, you can see this is a spacious room. It's very big, spacious spaces, and it's for a living room. And this is the bathroom inside. And you can see this after this showcase is it's planned. It's for our New Zealand customer standard, and for different country we have different one. Just tell us your country standard, we make it. And this is switches, bugs on top on the wall. Yeah, and for the ceiling, for the flooring is also the PVC flooring. It's wooden, laminate wooden flooring. And the door here is aluminum door. We can make a double glazed aluminum door. And because it's not finished, so there's no glass. The glass is a double glazed glass. And this part is doors. And this part is a casement door. And also you can do it a folding door for this front part. Because the customers like the sound, so we make it the front. It's all open part glass wall. All right, you can see this is the top ceiling is PVC ceiling. It's waterproof, and the inside here is a bathroom. Okay, it's not big, but we have all the equipments in this area. You can the fixtures, the toilets, a flushing toilet, and the water heater. You can just charge it. You can get a hot water frequently. Yes, and this sink over here, there's glass shower over here, and there's a sink at the back door. So now let's get into another room. And this area is a kitchen. It's a kitchen with the coarse countertops, and the customer like the open design kitchen, and with a only window in the kitchen and the sink. So you can cook at this area. And also here, because it's not finished, so it's not fixed. Actually, it's a sliding door. It's aluminum sliding door. Okay, now let's see our main product today. I want to show you. This is the tiny home on wheels. And the tiny home on wheels is very popular now in around the world. And this customer ordered this, and this year we design and a new model, a new product to test them, to try the market in New Zealand, because this is very popular in New Zealand and in the Australian market. I can say some details. This is the chair, the bottom chassis, and with two axles in the at the underneath of the container house, because the top is a container house. And now let me introduce more details. Let's get into closer. I can say here is two chassis. This is the front chassis. All right, this is the very big chassis, right, and the wheels, all right. Okay, and the frame. And the frame is galvanized steel frame. Because it's not finished, so we haven't painted. Actually, we will paint it's paint different color. We paint the black color on the frame. The frame is galvanized steel with Q345 grade metal and very high end, very high quality. And there over there you can see three different tanks underneath the trailer house, which tank with different usage. See the details. Okay, and all the brake system in the we will integrate them into the exhaust. The three water tanks with different purpose. One of them is for clean water, the clean water for drink, and another tank is for the gray water, and another tank is for the black water. The gray water is come from the like the sinks in the kitchen and in the bathroom, the sink, and the black water actually is for the bathroom, right? For the toilet. So you have different purpose. When you when the water when water runs out of water, you just fill it with outside outlets in the outside on the container, and uh, and you get full of the drainage water. You just drain them out. All of there we have values to drain it out. And now let's take the top container house on the trailer. And this is called jack. The jack means support for four corners, each corner with a jack, and you can just roll this bar and to move it, to lift it or to down it, so you can get a balance for the house. The house will be get balanced before because there's four jacks, and the front is a drain. On the front we have some windows and doors. This size is a 20 feet container. We use this as a house on the trailer house, and this is like a lock to lock the container on the trailer, so the trailer can't move, can be stable. And we paint this white color, and some customers like blue color or red color or different patterns. Just tell us, we can do custom design for different colors. And the size is 2.4 and the height is 2.8, and the length is 5.8, and the and we want, if you want to use a flat pack container or expandable container, folding container, you can just put it on the trailer. And also we are going to make a new model next time, the Model 2, because this one is the Model 1. The Model 2 will be a light steel, is is more luxury light steel structure with house with a roof, with pitched roof on the top, and we will make that one next time, and then we will show you. And this time we show you this with the four jacks. And why? Because the wide is 2.2. Why? We choose this size because we can move it and we can load it into the 40 feet container. If you make it bigger than the container size, you can't load it. It will take a big space, and that way you cost too much for shipping. And this way you can just use a 40 feet open top container to load it and to ship it. so you can show your price, show your shipping cost. And we calculate this is the best available solution for size for this size, the dimensions. All right, let's go inside to check some more details for of the inside. Okay, first you can see here is a deck. It's a deck. Is actually it's a foldable deck. Why is foldable? Because you can see in the at the bottom there's four jacks. You can just fold it on the wall, right? And when you arrive at the site, you just fold it down, and there's four jacks on the bottom. See here, this is the jack. The jack support the deck, and inside you can see there's some breakers, the support beams to support the deck, and the jack can be used as and the deck can be used um, for sitting, like if you want to drink, if you want to enjoy your leisure time at the night, just sit on deck with your friends, take a cup of coffees. It's best design. And the front is like a door. It's like a door in the KFC. It's a very high quality double glazed aluminum door, and when we install the glass, we'll get a better look. And the inside is 2.4 meters wide and 5.8 meters length, and that side is a bathroom. All the interior is sauna, and the ceiling is sauna wood wood panel. We use silk trees and crusty wood um, for the interior design, and you can paint it the white color, different color. And we have different materials for all the interior and exterior wall you can choose from. Um, and you can see now our workers is installing the bed. Okay, it's a bed for on at the end, and over there on at the wall there's a cabinet, a cabinet over there, and there's a AC. You can see the the AC socket on the wall, and there's an olding window. There's sliding window, and this is the very beautiful door, and like a KFC door, I said. Here, let's say or this is the a bathroom. You can see check the details. This is the bathroom, and the bathroom there's a shower room, a glass shower room at this end, and water heater, electricity water heater. We will provide your country standard water heater, and the electricity box. Over here is a toilet. The toilet can be moved to drop rubbish, to drop the rubbish. And electric box. And this is the small only window to get fresh air, and the fan. You can get smile out. And the flooring is laminated engineering flooring. You can see upside here. There's a wood. There is a wood flooring. Let me show you the details. See details is laminated flooring. Okay, thanks. So the tiny homes four wheels is a new model and is a new trend around the world, more and more popular. Will be I think it will be our best product to see in this year. and we hope to study. We hope to develop some new models with you guys, with your customers, our esteemed customers. We want to show you our another product. This is the green one. Okay, it's a 20 feet container home, and then we sell this to. This is one of our customer in Italy. They ordered this as as an office. You can see the front and side is all opened glass, right? It's double glaze doors, windows, aluminum window and doors, and the customer chose a green color frame. The size is 2.4 and the length is 5 is 6 meters and height is 2.8. And say here, this is the front double glazed windows, and the customer want to get the sound, so we design it all windows in the front and at the ends. And this door is like a KFC door. It's a double door. The door size is 1.5. The height is 2 meters. And it's wide. It's very wide. Let's get into it. Say this is the plugs, the socks for for their country standard. The switches. 1, 2, 3. 3 sockets. And the wall panel and the ceiling panel, the customer chose this color. Actually, it's bamboo wood. It's bamboo wood. Very beautiful, right? And if you like different color, even like different material, you can choose from a catalog, the material catalog, the wall panel catalog. We all have options for you. And also we use very hard laminated wood flooring for the bottom floor, and the PVC train, the PVC floor train. Okay, thanks. So now this is our customer order some big one, the big size, folding container. You can see the width is 3 meters, and height is 2.8 meters. The length is 6 meters. This is the big one because the customer want to use it as an office on the site. So say custom different size folding container, and the wall, we will install the wall, the sandwich panel wall. Okay, say this is the shape, this is the shape for the ceiling, and for the outside ceiling, the exterior ceiling and the roof ceiling. This is galvanized steel. The the thickness is 2.4, 2.5. The 0405. All right, see here you can see the sandwich panel walls. This is for the wall of the Philippe container, the folding container or expandable container. We have 50 and we have 75 millimeter thickness. Also, we use 50 or 80 intensity. And here, this the foldable container, which is just 40. And you can check the details here. Look. Alright, see the top, this is which is the finished top of the foldable container. You can see our welding technology because we use this technology. You don't need to worry about the leaking waters because you can see all we use full welding for every part is welded full welding. No any part can leave and leak the water. All right, say the white the okay. Let me show you. This is another very interesting product. This is a 3-to-1 home, or we call it expandable container home. Why it's called expandable? It's actually it's three parts. The middle parts here is a 20 feet container or 20 feet flat pack container. Okay, so you understand. And from the two ends, actually there is a fold part. In the fold part can be folded, can be squeezed to folded to smaller into the middle part. The two end part can be loaded into the middle part. So that can the three part can be changed to one. And when you use it, just from 1 to 3. Okay, this is what we call it expandable container. Now you can see the inside on the flooring is spacious. Fine, there's a bathroom. And here, this part we can use like a living room, like a kitchen or dining room. It's big, and another room is for a living room, for bedroom. This is bedroom. Take a look. You can custom the materials for the wall, for the ceiling light, or for the windows and the doors. But the size can be just 20 feet like this way because only this way can be loaded into the 40 feet container. And this is the shower room. It's a glass shower. With the shower head, the drains, the sinks, and the toilet. Okay, now let's see another product, the heavy steel structure. This heavy steel structure beams. All the beams and the pillars, we use it for this workshop. Check the details on the top. And this is a warehouse. This is our workshop. And the red one is a cream beam. Actually, it's a crane. It's a crane. And over there, there's the crane beam. And you can see the crane. Well, there's 5 tons crane or 10-ton crane. When you want to build a warehouse, just tell us if you have a crane. We will design a crane beam for you. And all the H beams can be used as the columns and the beams. Actually, our company has been doing steel structure business from the beginning. It's over 15 years ago. We started to build, to produce, and for the heavy steel structure, and we export. Until now, we have export the heavy steel structure to around the world, over more than 50 countries. The main market is African, and some Pacific Ocean countries. Some countries like Grenada, like PNG, like some countries around New Zealand. Okay, and so we have very good design team with good design architecture, structure architecture for the steel structure. If you just have an inquiry for this, want to build a steel structure warehouse or workshop, for example, you want to a parts vehicle parts workshop, you want to build a storage parts workshop, and you want to just build a small hospital, you can just tell your inquiry. We just need a wide length and height, these data, and we need to know this so we can get your quote very quick. And for the heavy steel, we use very high quality from the big material factory in China, the brand in China. Okay, and the wide we have a different one from 20 to 30, 50, and 50 or 60, even 1 meter wide. Um, I mean the the wide beams. So you can use, so we can produce over 1,000 tons each week for the steel structure beams. If you just have an idea, just let us know. And the heavy steel structure is a very good product for uh, to build a workshop. Okay, now let's go back to check the tiny homes more details. Follow me, please. To see more products, more better products, check the tiny homes more pictures, more details. If you have a design for tiny home, just send us so we can discuss more. And like this container home or container restaurant, container coffee shop, just you have idea, we can make custom design. We have our architecture can design it for free. Don't worry about the cost, the design cost. We do it for free for you. Yes, some, and don't worry, electricity we can do C standard, Australian standard, New Zealand standard. For windows also we can do your country standard double glaze aluminum. The MDF door, electricity, and corrosive wood flooring, the deck bolt, anti-corrosive, the the metal door for the flat pack container and the foldable container. And that's the wall we have already cut the windows opening for the foldable container. Now let's check this tiny home more better. Let's check all around. The jacks and the breakers to lock the container. And the wheels and air source. And this is the this is the value to fill water, and this the industrial plug. You can charge the truck, the waters tank, and at the bottom 3 tanks on the bottom, each tanks with different purpose, as I explained. Okay, the value to fill waters from here. See the inside from here to fill waters. It's nice, beautiful house. This is a very new design. You guys check it the first, our first model this year. The first beautiful design this year. If you are interested, just send us inquiry. Okay, the 20 feet green container home with a French door, all glass wall. When it finished, I will show you guys a new video with all the interior, all the glass finishing and the interior furniture, kitchen cupboards, everything. I will show you guys more beautiful video and pictures. Follow me. Follow our website. Check out our website. I'll show you this. Let's go back to check more better folding container home. Okay. Follow a camera to check more details for the foldable container. This is about 6 units for our French customer. For our Norway customer. They just ordered 6 units flat pack container and 6 units foldable container. So we are almost finished this product for our customer. And the front is a 1 door and 1 window. The back is 1 door, is 1 window. Look around. It's finished folded. It's ready to ship. If you have a very big order, for example, like more than 100 units or 1,000 units, don't hesitate to send us inquiry because we have a very large production capacity. We can deliver your goods within just 20 days with very good price. Because now is Alibaba Moth Promotions Festival. If you order now, we give the best sale in the year. Pick up your phone and send us an email, an inquiry. We show you details and we send our quotations, our design for free. So very thank you for your watching today, and hope to see you guys later and see you guys next time in our broadcasting room. Bye bye. See you later. Thanks.